Hello, welcome back to On with Jawad 786. Before proceeding to video, don't forget to subscribe and hit like button and share as well. So in this topic, we will be discussing about digital marketing executive role. What is his role and what he or she can perform in this specific role. So first of all, I can show you that this whole presentation is designed on Canva, and you can also DM me for more presentations if you need to be designed in Canva, using Canva. So first of all, let me zoom in. Yeah, what is the main role of digital marketing executive role? So we will be reading a definition to make it understand more clearly. And the general planning, development, implementation, and management of the whole digital marketing strategy falls under the purview of digital marketing executives. Additionally, they are in charge of leading, managing, and training the team's digital marketers and other marketing positions. Basically, this is the main role of executive in digital marketing. So, moving on further, I have designed for you the stepwise in this chart. You can see there are total 10 tasks which are performed in executive role related to digital marketing. What are the 10 steps? First of all, number one, digital strategy, content creation, and let me zoom in for you. Search engine marketing, which is SEM, pay per click PPC, social media management, email marketing, analytics and reporting, search engine optimization, A/B testing and optimization, online advertising, competitor analysis. These are the basically I have designed for you the scenario and what can be the related or desired outcome of that scenario. I have mentioned the situation in first block, and the situation solution, you can say the problem to the solution is designed in the second block, likewise according to the heading. So we will be discussing this conclusion in the end. Right now I will read each block for you, that what the scenarios are provided here. First of all, digital strategy. The situation or the scenario is, imagine if a business wishes to increase its online presence. Analyzing the existing state of digital marketing, choosing target markets, and comprehending corporate objectives are the first steps taken by the digital marketing executive. Okay, the solution to the situation is they take action by developing a thorough digital marketing strategy that outlines goals, distribution options, and strategies for reaching the target market. They might advise starting a content marketing strategy, for instance, to increase organic traffic. Basically, this is a situation, and you have to take the following action according to this uh, scenario. This is basically the digital strategy. And if we talk about content creation, this is a scenario that is the digital marketing executive chooses to launch a content marketing campaign in this scenario. Okay, this is the main task, and they collaborate with content producers to create social media postings, videos, infographic, blog posts, and other types of content to maximize organic reach. They make sure the content is optimized for search engines, SEO, and consistent with the brand's messaging. So, according to this scenario situation, this is the outcome, exactly an accurate outcome. Okay, discussing further, number three, the SEM or pay per click. This is a situation the business wishes to swiftly boost traffic to its website. Okay, for example, any client, or for example, you are working as executive role, the situation is that you have to boost their traffic to their website, boost the random traffic to their website, or the desired location based traffic to their website. The solution can be the PPC campaigns are set up by the digital marketing executive utilizing tools like Google Ads. You can run advertise on Google to send targeted visitors. Basically, the main website traffic related work advertisement is the best and the relevant way to run ads on Google. So to send targeted visitor to the website, they carefully choose keywords. Okay, you have to focus especially on keywords which are relevant and which are accordingly search on Google. So write ad copy and allot money. They keep an eye on how each campaign is doing and change their bid method as necessary. Yeah, it's a main focus of any company or industry to analyze and to get report from you which the advertisement you are running and which advertisement is performing the best. So obviously the check and balance work and progress they carry time to time. Social media management situation. The business wishes to interact with its followers on social media. Okay, the scenario is now, for example, there is a company, you name it, Bata, Nike, or any other company. They are wish to interact with different followers on social media. The scenario can be the digital marketing manager prepares post, okay, builds a social media calendar, and replies to messages and comments, which is man very important. To determine the effectiveness of each article, they monitor engagement data and make use of analytic tools. For instance, they may gauge reach and engagement using Facebook Insight. You can analyze data by Facebook Insight, or for example, you have installed Pixel or connected with any e-commerce store. The data you can see or get from the Pixels to analyze in a better way. Okay, number 5, email marketing. Now the situation is the business wants to nurture leads and keep customer. Okay, leads, getting leads is a very important and the main goal of any business. So this is the situation and the scenario. The digital marketing executive creates email marketing campaigns, divides the email list into parts and distributes tailored content. Okay, the content curation and content you have to analyze whether it will work or not. They monitor conversion rates, click through rates, which is CTR, and open rate. The executive may send a cart abandonment email to a subscriber if they leave their shopping cart empty in order to persuade them to make a purchase. Okay, this work, and if we talk about the current situation, you can use different type of tools to send the abandonment emails to the subscriber, which will obviously make your situation more easy to bring that client back, or you can say to email and to request him to visit your shop or visit your website again. So 6, analytics and reporting. Basically, this is a very important work in digital marketing. So the situation is the corporation is interested in knowing the return on investment (ROI) of its marketing initiatives. Sorry. ROI is very important in each business to identify whether its investment is working or not. So the outcome is the digital marketing executive monitors website traffic. Okay, any website traffic is monitored by analytical tools, user behavior, and conversion rates using programs like Google Analytics. Okay, Google Analytics is the best tool from which you can monitor the each and every state related to the visitor on the website, or whether it's all about the buying and selling, or related to e-commerce store. Later I will show you an example if I can. They produce reports with key performance indicators KPI like return on investment, cost per new customer CACC, and return on advertising spent. After that, they optimize campaign by making data driven judgments. Okay, basically this is the main important task for each digital marketer to if you are, for example, working, you have ranked their website and you have connected with Google Analytics or Facebook Insight, you are going to monitor. But the thing is that company main goal is to observe the ROI, whether it's working or not, through different analytics tool. It is very important. Okay, moving on to the other, search engine optimization, SEO. The situation is the business wishes to appear higher on search engine results pages. For example, every business nowadays wishes to appear higher in search engine. So the best keywords selection, or the best ranking keywords you will use in any website, obviously it will be increasing your chance to list top or higher in the search results, whether it's Google, whether it's Bing. You can but everything depend on the keyword which you are going to use accordingly. So this is the situation, and this is the scenario. To raise the website search engine ranking, the digital marketing executive carries out keyword research, as I have mentioned earlier, optimizes the website content. Content matters a lot because it will be including those important keyword, and create backlinks. Yeah, it's the we are not diving in the detail. We are looking just overview. Backlinks have a very detailed courses you can learn in SEO. They track rankings and look for opportunities for advancement using programs like SEMrush or Moz. Basically, SEMrush and Moz are the SEO research tools which you can go and search on Google. And I will prefer SEMrush rather than Moz because SEMrush is the best and mostly commonly used for the keyword research. And apart from this, you can use Google Keyword Planner to search and get the analytics regarding the keyword research. Okay, moving on to another, A/B testing and optimization. It's included in social media, Facebook, and Insta. So the scenario, the situation is the landing page for the business isn't converting effectively. Or for example, A/B tests are conducted by the digital marketing executive who makes adjustments to features like headlines, title of your advertisement, pictures, images, and call to action buttons. Yeah, it's very important. CAB is very important in each advertisement. They review the findings and make adjustments that boost conversion rates. Okay, if you have no call to action button in advertisement, like for example learn more or shop now, then your advertisement might fail. So fail to bring the audience, the desired audience. So this is very important. A/B testing is very important in the digital marketing, as I have mentioned earlier, I guess. And in further lecture, I will be going to mention in detail that how A/B test is performed, which is an important role in executive of digital marketing. Online advertising situation, the business wishes to connect with more people. Yeah, for example, on LinkedIn, if a business page is created newly and they desire to connect with more people, to increase connection, you have to create a desired content and stay consistent to get your desired outcome. So this is the situation to connect more people, And this is a likewise scenario. To broaden the brand's reach, the digital marketing executive must look at display advertising, social media ads, or influencer partnerships. Based on the target audience and campaign objectives, they choose the best media. So you can choose Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, so, or which is now X. So to grow, to help in advertising, to help to grow the business pages, or to connect with more people, you have to work on display advertising or social media ads, or you can create partnership with influencer, YouTuber, vloggers to increase the growth of or to increase the connection between more people. So, or you can select the desired campaign objectives, whether to reach awareness or to increase or sales. You can choose campaign objectives, which will also help in connecting more people. So, moving on to the last and 10th goal or scenario or the situation of executive role, which is the competitor analysis. Situation is the business wants to keep a step ahead of its rivals. Obviously, if you are not keeping eye on your competitors, or you are ignoring them completely, your business is going to be fail. Sorry to say that, because it's very important to keep an eye on each competitor. Or you can say, for example, there is a company of Nike, and the other company is like, for example, Bata, or you can say the Gucci. So if they are not keeping an eye on their social media advertising and the method of that, how they are creating the content, then you are surely going to miss a big opportunities to boost your business or boost your client business as a digital marketing executive. So this is a situation to step ahead of your rivals. The outcome is conducting competitive research. Okay, you have to research and research on your competitor, is what the digital marketing executive does to find out what strategies and techniques rivals are employing. Okay, they assess their own strategies, strengths, and weaknesses, and make necessary adjustments. Okay, accordingly, like for example, let me show you some uh, basic example. Facebook ads library. Okay, I want to show you some basic example that how you can keep an sight on your rivals and your competitor. Basically, this is a Facebook ad library. Okay, for example, you can search it according to the location. For example, I'm targeting United, select country, United States. Add category, properties related to employment, credit, all ads. Okay, your keyword. For example, you want to see clothes, fashion. Okay, now you will see result. Okay, these are the advertisement which are running on Facebook. So look at their library ID starting running, not necessary for us. The thing is that you can see ad details and how they are utilizing about the advertiser. Okay, and see how they have created the image and the call to action button and the detail and description about what the product is. So likewise, you can keep an eye on each product, each advertisement, and stay ahead. Likewise, this scenario, this situation, you can step ahead of your rivals. So keeping an eye not only is limited till FB ad library. You can use any tool, likewise, to step ahead from your competitors. So these were the important situations, and according to the situation, the scenarios related to digital marketing executive role. In conclusion, let me zoom in for you. This is the conclusion. A digital marketing executive is essential to developing and implementing digital marketing plans that increase online exposure, engage audiences, and accomplish corporate goals. They use data driven insights to optimize their plans and are continually adapting to changes in the digital environment. Basically, this is a conclusion that how the digital marketing executive role can be implemented accordingly. So this was basically the presentation related to digital marketing executive role. Before leaving, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel with Jawad76 and hit the like button. But if you need any presentation like this, then you can DM me in approaching via YouTube description of the concern or related video, and further we will be discussing about more roles related in digital marketing, but till now it is the executive role, and these are the 10 scenario which can each executive can face in his role. So how to face this situation and how to solve that situation I have discussed in detail. And obviously, if anything you need to understand more precisely or more accurately, you can ask me anytime, and I will reply you accordingly. So thank you for your precious time. Keep watching, keep stay connected. Thank you.